All right, everybody, we are BCMC, and I am staying with Jonathan Fox, Vertex BD. Jonathan, thanks for being here, and Argos Systems, right? Why don't you tell us a little bit about who you are and what you do?
All right, Argos Systems, we handle software sales and support for Vertex Systems, headquartered in Finland. We offer the Vertex BD Software, which is a framing system used mainly by prefab wall framers, floor framers. We generate wall panel, floor panel shop drawings. We can also generate truss layouts as well. And we interface with a lot of different manufacturing equipment, automated saws, roll formers, wall panel lines, floor panel lines, and so forth.
How long have you been doing this now?
I've been with Argos for almost 21 years. The company's been in the US for since 91.
Yeah.
And Vertex Systems has been around since 77.
Since 77. So here you are at BCMC. How's the show been so far?
So far, so good. It's our first time back in about 15 years, so I don't know why we haven't been here. We should have been here.
Right.
And it's been great. I mean, these are the people we want to be talking to, all the prefab, automation, and the future of construction. That's where we want to be.
So who are your customers?
Mainly the wall panel prefab. Wall panel manufacturers, or a lot of them are just doing pre-cut and shipping to site, assembling on site. So that's been the big draw lately.
Sure. And then what are you hoping to get out of this show?
Just getting our name out there.
Business, that's what we're here for, right? We want to sell stuff. Yeah,
absolutely.
For sure. Well, awesome, man. Jonathan, thanks so much for taking a few moments. Thanks to Vertex also for helping sponsor our show and keep us doing what we do, and Argos Systems for doing what you guys do. So, cool, man. Let us know how it turns out.
Thank you very much.
There you have it, everybody. Stay tuned for more.